Ready to go for a little hike? Right, there's the parking lot, and here it is already. Not much of a hike to get there to see it. Dude. Oh man, check this out. This is our camping spot. Yeah, so far, not so amazing. Yo, come on, man. You can't get to that water, bro. Oh, there's a little walkway here. This is a toll road to get here into this whole area. Voila. Gee, don't be pulling. Dog right there. Come on, man. We're going here. Let's go. Gotta get down there and look at this waterfall from the bottom. Let's see how pretty it is. As you can tell, a lot of people come here. There are a lot of paths everywhere. This ain't the best path. Oh well, I guess we're going anyway. Yep, slippery. Be careful when you're coming down here. Thank goodness it's not tourist season yet. Smart Moochie. Ooh, tree fell down. People, it's slippery if you're walking down here. And a bit muddy. That's okay, we got hiking shoes on. Oh, is this it? Oh, come on, man. Wow, look at that.